Hi everyone, I am JULKA and today's topic is limits. Limit is used to find approximate value of function. When we say limit x tends to 2, this implies x not equals to 2. It may be 2.00001, it may be 1.9999 and so on. So when we say limit x tends to 2, it is nearer to 2 or approaches to 2. Now we'll discuss some questions of limits. Question 1. Limit x tends to 3, x square minus 1. Put x equal to 3 and we'll get 8. Next question. Limit x tends to 2, 5x cube. Put x equal to 2 and we'll get 5 multiplied by 8 equals to 40. Next question. Limit x tends to 1, x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Put x equal to 1 and we'll get 0 by 2 which is equals to 0. Next question. Limit x tends to 2 in root 7x minus 5. When you put x equals to 2, we'll get 3. Next question. Limit x tends to 1, x square minus 1 upon x minus 1. If we put 1 here, we'll get 0 by 0. So whenever we have 0 by 0, we'll use factor method. X square minus 1 equals to x minus 1 into x plus 1 whole divided by x minus 1. Cancel x minus 1 by x minus 1 and we'll get x plus 1. Put x equals to 1 and we'll get answer 2. Next question. Limit x tends to 0, x divided by the root of 1 plus x minus 1. If we put x equal to 0 here, we'll get 0 by 0. So whenever answer in the form of 0 by 0, either we use factor method or rationalizing method. Here we are multiplying by numerator and denominator both by in the root of 1 plus x plus 1 and we'll get in numerator x multiplied by in the root of 1 plus x plus 1. In denominator we'll get 1 plus x minus 1. After solving, we'll get limit x tends to 0 in root 1 plus x plus 1. Now put x equals to 1 here and we'll get 1 plus 1 which is equals to 2. Next question. Limit x tends to infinite, x square minus 7x plus 6 divided by 2x square minus 3x plus 7. If we put x equals to infinite, we get infinite by infinite. So in this case, first we take highest power of x common. So x square take common from the numerator and we get x square multiplied by 1 minus 7 by x plus 6 by x square, and the denominator will get x square common 2 minus 3 by x plus 7 by x square. X square cancelled by x square. Something upon infinite is 0. So we'll get the answer 1 by 2. Next question. Limit x tends to infinite, x square plus x in root minus x. First put x equals to 1 by y. Because x is infinite, so y tends to 0. So change the limit y tends to 0. In place of x, put 1 by y and we get in the root 1 by y square plus 1 by y minus 1 by y. After taking LCM, we'll get in the root of 1 plus y minus 1 whole divided by y. And now rationalize the numerator and we'll get 1 plus y minus 1 divided by y in the root of 1 plus y plus 1. And after simplification and put the value of y equals 0, we'll get 1 by 2. Next question. Limit x tends to 3, x is to the power 5 minus 3 is to the power 5 upon x minus 3. We know the formula. Limit x tends to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n upon x minus a is n a to the power n minus 1. Here n is 5, a is 3. So we'll get answer 5 into 3 raised to the power 4 which is equals to 405. Next question. Limit x tends to 0, e raised to the power 2x minus 1 upon x. We know the formula. Limit x tends to 0, e raised to the power x minus 1 upon x is always be equals to 1. So divide by 2 and multiply by 2 and we'll get 1 multiplied by 2 equals to 2. Next question. Limit x tends to 0, 2 raised to the power 3x minus 1 whole divided by x. We know the formula. Limit x tends to 0, e raised to the power x minus 1 upon x is log a. So divide and multiply by 3 and we will get log 2 multiplied by 3. Next question. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 3x whole raised to the power 1 by x. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole raised to the power 1 by x always be equals to e. So divide power by 3 and multiply by 3. And we will get inside e and whole raised to the power 3. So answer is e raised to the power 3. Next question. Limit x tends to infinite, 1 plus 2 by x whole raised to the power x. We know the formula. Limit x tends to infinite, 1 plus 1 by x whole raised to the power x is e. And we also know that limit x tends to infinite 1 plus a by x whole raised to power x by a always equals to e. So divide power by 2 and multiply by 2 and we'll get e raised to power 2.